Now, if you've been here for a while, then you know that the leftover stimulus money that was put into the economy has been shifted. I mentioned previously how it was shifted on the state level, but now I'm going to talk about how that money has been shifted on the federal level. So the federal government and the state government has shifted the money from direct payments into the real estate market. Everybody was complaining about the affordability of real estate and complaining about the high prices of real estate. So now that the mortgage rates have come up and pushed us into a buyer's market, the state and the federal government are now giving out forgivable down payment assistance money. Now, the state level I've talked about previously, each state is different, but there is a federal program available for owner occupied and investors that are willing to invest in low income communities. Now, this video is not going to be about the investment side. It is going to be more so directed toward people who are looking for a place to live or, to raise their family as owner occupied buyers, whether you're first time or second time buyers. Now, the name of the program is FHLB, which stands for Federal Home Loan Banks Grants. Okay, so this is a grant that is issued by federal home loan banks. It isn't just one particular bank. There are other mortgage brokers and lenders that are certified or that are able to issue these grants. So what you can do is you can actually look up in your area for a federal home loan bank, or you can ask a loan officer or a loan initiator or a mortgage broker that you know if they are certified or if they are eligible to issue these grants through this government program. Now, you as the individual cannot apply for this yourself. It has to be the lender that applies for you. And of course, if you're in the DC or the Maryland area, you can reach out directly to me and I can point you in the direction of several lenders that are in this program. Now, let's talk about how this works. First of all, you have to be at or below the median income of the area that you're looking to buy a home in. Now, this is my favorite part. This money is forgivable. You do not have to pay this money back unless you sell the home within a certain time frame. So let me break it down for you. So 20% of this down payment assistance is forgiven every year up to 5 years. So after 5 years, the entire amount that you've borrowed is completely forgiven. Now, of course, if you sell the home, let's just say, for example, in 2 years, then you will have to pay back the remainder of the down payment assistance from the proceeds of the home sale, if there are proceeds. Now, if there aren't proceeds, then of course you will have to pay that money back out of pocket just to sell the home. Now, with this, there are income limits. So depending on how many people are on the application, of course, they have a ceiling because you have to be within the median or at or below the median income of the area where you are buying a home. And of course, I'll put the link to the FHFA information page in reference to this loan down in the description below so that you can check it out. This money has shifted to help people with the affordability crisis in the real estate market. Now, if you're somebody looking to buy a home, buying a home may actually be cheaper than renting. And with the way that the market is going, because since I'm a real estate agent, I'm actually in the market helping buyers. And what's happening in the market right now, sellers are, because we're in a buyer's market, the sellers are giving what's called seller assistance to help buyers get into homes. Buyers, when buying a home, have two responsibilities: down payment and closing costs. Right now in the market, these sellers are paying the closing costs, but you can use these funds on the state level or the federal level to pay the down payment and walk into a home with no money down. So that puts you in position where you can hold on to whatever money you do have and use the forgivable funds and get into these homes without having to spread yourself thin. And of course, the money is forgivable. In addition to that, if you are working with an agent that knows what they're doing, you are actually getting these homes under contract for under list. Okay, you're getting your closing costs paid and the money for the down payment is forgivable. So I encourage everyone out there to take advantage of essentially what is free money, which it is because it's forgivable. You do not have to pay it back. So with that being said, take advantage of what is available to you and use these things to help you better position yourself and your family.